Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing Halloween look number 3, and we're going to kind of do a really arty type one this time rather than a gruesome-y, more Halloween look like it was last time. I hope you're enjoying them so far. Anyway, if the thumbnail and this intro enticed you, then just keep on watching. Okay, so handy headband comes on. Hello. So this is what we got now. Don't know if you can see. Got the chest going as well. Now what I'm going to do is just like kind of blank out this little bit on the sides of my face, and then we can kind of go in there and start doing like cool stuff. I'm actually going to pad underneath my eyes with the same brush I used the paint on, but with a white powder. Do a nice kind of green cut crease first. And we're going to take this shade here from the 35B palette, which is the shade Forest, on my brush, and pop it on my eyes. So this is done. Now we're going to go in with the shade Enchanted, which is this one here from the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette. Basically do the same thing, just deepen up that outer area. There, thought I'd zoom you in just a little bit more. Okay, so I've done that, blended all of that. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Faith, which is the yellow here from the KeilidhMUA palette, and just blend that a little bit more, and then just continue to blend all the colours together. Oh, this is what we got so far. What I'm going to do now is cut the crease, pack on a load of white eyeshadow, and be right back. Hello, this is all we got so far. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to quickly change the camera battery in my camera because now it's flashing at me. I'm also going to put some liner on, maybe some eyelashes too. I might do that later. But that is what we're going to do. Now we're going to work on shading all of this. Now, look at getting these bad boys out, but I realised I probably should have done this before I put my eyelashes on. So we're just gonna see what happens. I mean, kind of, so I think we're probably a little bit too high, but I didn't realise I couldn't actually see where I was meant to be. Right, I'll be right back. I'm going to clean kind of all of this stuff up and be back. Ta-da! So, why is face paint so hard to work with? Okay, I've been trying for absolutely ages to blend my damn forehead. And then we'll go in with some black. First off, I was just using Oath from the KeilidhMUA, and now I'm using this one, which is Sin. So I'm going to go in with a little bit of like a burgundy reddy colour, so I'm going in with Unruly. And I'm also going to go in with kind of a few more like shimmery bits. Hello. Shading is done, lips completely blocked out, and to be honest, I think this is pretty much the finished look, effectively. Yeah. I was thinking of maybe doing something for the lips, but then I thought, leave it, it's fine. This is what we got. So I'm just going to sort my hair out so it's not kind of flinging about behind me. Get the hands ready for the Instagram. I'm just going to basically put like green eyeshadow all over me. But yeah, this is the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Kind of went a little bit different to what I expected. But yeah, this is the finished look, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Comment down below what do you think. Good comments, please. Don't forget to like and subscribe, all of that good stuff down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!